This is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we show you how to add a digital extension in Google Chrome. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Google Chrome extensions are powerful tools that can enhance your browsing experience by adding new features, improving productivity, or customizing your browser. Whether you are looking to block ads, save password, or improve your social media workflow, installing Chrome extension is a quick and simple process. So in this video, I will help you. I will show you how to install extension on your Chrome. It's very simple. So first of all, you can just search for the extension that you want to add to your Chrome. Like this one, I want to add this to my Chrome extension. You can open the extension and there is an option add to Chrome. You can select on that. You can select add extension. So now there is like pop-up a notification appear like this. It means you have installed that extension from your Google Chrome. It's very simple, right? And also if you want to search for any extension, you can search for extension Chrome in here. This one. So in here you can choose on the extension that you want to install to your Google Chrome. For the example, maybe I want also add this extension. There's an option add to Chrome. You can just select on that, add extension, and now you have add that extension. If you select in here, you can pin the extension. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add extension to your Google Chrome. Thank you and see you.